If you are experiencing problem where you can't hear your sound when someone calls you on Messenger, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can fix this problem. So watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out any steps. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. And tap Settings. On here, you'll find multiple options. Look for Notification and Sounds and tap on it. On Notification and Sound settings, make sure the Do Not Disturb option is toggled off, as this will mute every settings of your notification and sounds. Otherwise, you won't be able to receive any of this. Now on the community section, make sure to toggle on all the options on, and likewise on the friends option section, make sure you have turned on message reminders and notes. If you are still facing this issue, then go to your settings and scroll down, where you'll find apps option, tap on it. Now here, search for Messenger. After you get inside Messenger settings, make sure you've given all the permission to the app, and on the notification option, make sure it's toggled on, and the sounds option as well. And that's it. Hopefully, this will fix the issue for you. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.